All of the people in there abroad and far, we just want to send out a prayer to Jamaica. For Jamaica and this time of trouble, because this category 5 storm is a really serious storm going to hit Jamaica. So everybody when they overseas, far and wide, just send out a prayer to Jamaica. The people them at home and with descendants in Jamaica really need the prayers. So just send out the prayers, because one thing we know for sure and two for certain, faith can move mountain and all things are possible through Christ who strengthens us. One love, Jamaica. We shall recover.